Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Chrome is current and your profile is backed up. That protects bookmarks and extensions. Once done, open Chrome and go to Settings, then to Appearance to access theme options. Meanwhile, open a new tab and type Chrome//flags to reveal experimental UI flags you may need. You do this so changes are reversible and you understand where modifications live. It's faster to change visually once you have flags and appearance available. Now you pick a theme from the web store via Settings Appearance Theme and apply it. Themes change colors and tab styling immediately. Next, search Chrome//flags for interface-related flags, type keywords like UI or toolbar, and toggle only one or two at a time. Make sure to read the short description under each flag. They explain the why. After enabling a flag, you must relaunch Chrome so the experimental interface modifications take effect and you can evaluate them. To finish, confirm the look across tabs, menus, and incognito windows. Make sure contrast and icon sizes meet your needs. If something breaks or is unstable, revert the flags to default and remove the theme from appearance. If issues persist, create a new Chrome profile or reset profile settings to restore defaults. This keeps data safe in your original profile. As a quick tip, clear cache and relaunch Chrome. That often fixes rendering glitches when interface changes don't display correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.